Hello and you're welcome back to my channel. Trust that you all are doing great. Yes, in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make cinnamon puff puff, and if you want to see how I make this, please stay tuned, don't go away. If you're my returning subscriber, you are welcome. To all my old and new subscribers, thank you so much for all your love and your support. Please, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it to your loved ones, and let's move right into today's video. To start with, guys, here I have a cup of warm milk, and I'm gonna add my instant yeast to it because I want to prove my yeast before making use of it. Okay, this is the yeast I'll be using. This is what I have at hand, 11 grams of yeast. You can use any yeast of your choice. Okay, so now I'll go ahead and pour in my yeast in there, cover it and keep it aside for at least 5 minutes to allow it to proof. The next thing is my dry ingredients. Here I have already sieved 4 cups of all-purpose flour, and the next one I'm putting now is 5 cups. So I'm using 5 cups of all-purpose flour. I'll go ahead and sieve it. Okay, I'll add half cup of sugar, one-third powdered milk. If you don't want to use powdered milk, you can exclude it. Okay, half tablespoon cinnamon powder and pinch of salt. So once I'm done sieving, I'll go ahead and mix everything together until they are well combined. So here I'll be adding half teaspoon of vanilla flavor. This is optional, guys. If you don't want to add vanilla, you can also exclude it. Then I'll be adding my chopped paprika pepper. Okay, it's not spicy, all right. I just love to see these pieces of pepper in my puff puff. Okay, yeah, this is also optional. If you don't want it, you can also exclude it. All right. And as you can see, we have already proofed our milk. You can see if there is no bubble in your yeast after proving it and you did not see any bubble, please ensure you discard that one and use another one. Okay, that shows that your yeast did not proof. So once you see bubble in it, that means your yeast proof perfectly well. Okay, so remember, I am using a cup of warm milk, and this warm milk is not gonna be enough. Since it will not be enough, I'm gonna use more warm water. Okay, and continue the mixing until I get the consistency that I'm looking for. So right now I'm gonna add warm water to it. Remember, if you are making puff puff, it should be warm. Use warm water. If you are using milk, you can use warm milk. If you are using water, it should be warm water. Milk is also optional, you guys, okay? If you don't want to use milk, you can also go ahead and exclude the milk as well. Okay, so I'm gonna be adding the water little by little until I get the consistency of what I'm looking for. Here we don't want our puff puff mixture to be too running or too watering, okay? So you have to be careful while adding the water, because you know we are not going to finish the whole water, okay? So guys, once I'm done mixing, I'm gonna go ahead and cover it, leave it to sit for 30 to 1 hour, okay? Ensure you keep it in a warm place. So after 30 minutes or 1 hour, depending on how long you want to leave yours, I left it for 45 minutes, okay, before making use of it. So guys, I'm back after 45 minutes. Alright, so as you can see, I went ahead and used another of my container cover to cover it so that it will be very warm. You can see our dough, our mix has doubled in size. So right now it's time for us to go and deep fry it. Here my oil has heated up. I'll be using my ice cream scoop. You can also use your hand if you don't have ice cream scoop, okay? Ensure you fry the puff in low medium heat. I'll be using my skewer to flip it around, okay? Yes guys, if you have watched till this extent, thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you haven't. Ensure you share this video to your loved ones, your friends and your family. Okay, thank you guys, I do really appreciate you all. Thanks for all your love and your support. So guys, if you look at this puff puff, you will see some pepper on top of it. Paprika pepper is not spicy like I said, but I always love to see this pepper on it. Once I see it, I do like it, okay? This is what I love in my puff puff. Yes guys, keep watching. So guys, as you can see, our puff puff is ready. Our cinnamon puff puff is ready. Look at that. Don't you love how it look? Can't you see how this puff puff look? So guys, keep watching. I will show you all how the inside look like, okay, at the end of this video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you haven't. Before I forget, I have a similar video on my channel, puff puff channel, that is Pepe puff puff. If you haven't seen it, I'll leave my link in my description box for you to check it out. Here is our puff puff, guys. Hope you love this, hope you like it. Yes, it is ready. You can serve this with pop, you can use it to drink your Milo, tea, whatever, anything you want to enjoy it with, you can go ahead and do so. You guys, can you see how the inside look like? Did you see those peppers? Did you see how it is inside? This is what I love so much about this puff puff. Thank you for watching, and please